Hey there, welcome. Welcome to Rise and Receive. This is an opportunity in your day to stop whatever you're doing and explore how to receive fulfillment in your life by unlearning struggle. So today we're covering tip number 8 on a series called Get Easy Momentum. So if there's an area of your life where you feel stuck or you don't know where to start and you'd like to activate easy momentum, this series is for you. So tip number 8 today is how to summon support. Actually, it's really how to relieve overwhelm, but that's the tip, is summoning support. So we're going to talk about support. And so I invite you to think about an area of your life where you would like to gain easy momentum. And if you have felt overwhelmed, hi Simi, nice to see you. If you have felt overwhelmed, if you have felt frustrated, if you don't know what to do about that to get easy momentum, this is what we're going to talk about today. And support is the key. And I look forward to illuminating things that a lot of people don't really think about when it comes to receiving support in the face of overwhelm. So stick around. If you don't know me, my name is Sonia Miller. I'm a speaker, coach, and best-selling author, and I mentor ambitious, goal-oriented people to surpass their limits with ease and speed. And the way that I do this is I teach the one skill that most outcome-driven people are missing, which is how to receive. You see, ambitious, goal-oriented people tend to have overdeveloped pursuing, hunting, doing skills, while malnourishing the receiving skills that allows them to stop the hard work and finally receive what they've been working so hard for. But here's the thing, if you're hitting an upper limit issue, surpassing your limits and receiving what you want is not about working harder. It's about training your awareness. So that's what we talk about here at Rise and Receive. We stop all of the overdoing and we learn how to receive by training our awareness, because your consciousness creates your reality. And then those limits can dissolve and you can receive what's been lining up for you here in life. So let's dive into tip number 8, which is how to relieve overwhelm. And by now you got the punchline, which is it's about receiving support. So this is what you need to understand first about support, okay? Asking for support and receiving support is a sign of strength, not of weakness. And so as we look to receiving support, you need to understand that if you think you need to be independent, if you think you need to do it all yourself, or if you love some support but don't know how to access it, the lack of support is what will cause you to hit that upper limit, because there's only so much that you can do on your own. And this is what creates overwhelm. And this is what causes stuckness and just gets you in the muck when you're trying to get momentum. So here's the tip. Here's the thing that you can start practicing right away, which allows you to train your awareness, which then becomes an invitation for life to show up for you. Consciousness is so powerful when you know how to harness this tool. So when you find yourself overwhelmed, you want to practice simply noticing and stopping. Just stop. And then replace that overwhelm and that feeling of it's all on me. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start. I need help. I don't know how to get it, with this affirmation. This comes from the Receive Oracle card deck. Okay. Receive support. And the affirmation is, I am willing to receive support in ways better than I ever imagined possible. Just the shift from overwhelm, where you just keep your consciousness is focused on that, to I'm willing to receive support in ways better than I ever imagined. Think about it this way. If you were to give that affirmation as much airtime as the thoughts and the feelings and the beliefs that get all of your attention when you're in overwhelm, if you understand that your consciousness creates your reality, this starts to make amazing things happen. And again, support is a sign of strength. The most successful people in the world really know how to access support, ask for support, and receive support. Now, it does mean you have to let go of control, which is one of the reasons that we don't ask for control, for support. But when you start to open up to the power of support, you start to dissolve glass ceilings. Now, here's the tip. If you're one of those people who actually is okay with asking for support and you don't know how to access it because you think, well, I've asked this person and it's not, they're not helping me, or it's hard to find good help these days, or whatever it is, whatever lack or limiting beliefs you have about support, here's the thing to know in consciousness. There's one source and infinite channels. When you let go of your attachment to how the support's supposed to come in, what you think is required for that support, like I can't get support because I don't have the money for it, or I've asked this person for support and they don't give it to me. You're getting attached to the channel. Life provides the support. When you're in hunter mode, it's all on you, right? You're the sole provider. But when you are in receiving mode, life is the provider, and your job is to become an invitation for it through your awareness, through how you train and focus your awareness. And then it can come from infinite channels. So let's say you asked for support and it fell through. This is another follow-up mantra. That's okay. That wasn't my source. I remain open to expected and unexpected channels of support. You practice staying open, life will deliver. And then you have to say, thank you. Thank you. I received this. How does it get even better than this? You need to receive it. Okay. So I hope this tip was helpful. Here's your affirmation again. Okay. I am willing to receive support in ways better than I ever imagined possible. And if you'd like to go deeper with his teaching on receiving support and read the little booklet, you can get your own Oracle cards on Amazon. If this was helpful, please like, please share. It helps me reach the people that I'm here to serve. And if you're on YouTube, click the red subscribe button. That also helps me as well. Check out the links above and below for resources and next steps. And if you'd like to not only activate momentum, but energize it, save the date. May 21, I'm doing a workshop called the Get Momentum Workshop. It's designed to help you receive clarity, receive your power, and receive your path forward to energize, activate momentum, and keep it going. All right, hope you have a great day. See you at the next tip. And remember, you cannot receive what you most want if you don't know how to receive. Bye-bye.